In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own eyeliner with your favorite eyeshadow. Alright, so let's start. I have my favorite eyeshadow here. Well, the one that I want to use for to make my eyeliner. So let's say, for instance, I want to have an eyeliner, a pink eyeliner. So I would just crop that out. And you're gonna need what it's called Duraline. I'll show you in a second. There you go. Let's start with that. You can always add some more if you see that you need some more. So that's the Duraline that I'm talking about. It's from Inglot. So that's the one that I know. There's probably some other brand in the market. And you just need a few drops. Like start with one drop. There you go. And then simply mix it up. You could use your brush, your favorite brush, and there you go. So I'll show you here. So that's it. When you're done with your eyeliner, so here's a little tip. Don't forget to use some alcohol and just spray your eyeshadow. So that's gonna keep it clean. And let me know what you think. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.